Like on a building project, you always have to collaborate with every discipline, whether they're internal to your company or whether they're at other firms. But on a facilities project, you're usually going to have at least 3 to 7 firms on a project. And sometimes every firm only has one discipline. Sometimes, one firm will bring half the disciplines, another will bring a good chunk. But we have to work all the time, both with other disciplines within Prairie and with other disciplines and other firms.
A big part of it is identifying and lining up the partners that we're going to work with on that. Whether we're leading that from the front as the prime, sometimes we're just putting the pieces in place from behind and supporting someone else and helping them. It's just a lot of relationship management and building.
Communication seems to be the largest or the most important thing for any of us here at Prairie, and anytime we have any kind of a project debrief where something went wrong or something didn't go right, it always points back to communication. So what I'm trying to do, bring our disciplines together so that we can collaborate ahead of problems and talk a little bit more amongst the disciplines and share knowledge, share resources, create that communication amongst all of our disciplines so that we can identify gaps in performance or gaps in resources ahead of time.
I said it's a healthy environment to work. It's symbiotic, it is encouraging, it is collaborative. Teams work with each other, people talk to each other, and it's communicative.
We work with architects really closely so that we can find a good balance between form and function, because all our stuff is the function. How does everything work to make sure the building's operating?
And our surveyors are really good at understanding the accuracy, and so are our engineers understanding the accuracy and finding the best fit for that data, because nothing's perfect, right? You've got to take a drone, for example. You're going to be accurate within 3 foot, a little more accurate depending on what you use, but then actually going on and taking ground survey shots with our surveyors, tying all that together and saying, yeah, this is all good, we're going to use this data and it's going to make a really good result.
The first thing that comes to mind is we all make mistakes, so humility is huge in my mind. If someone is, in their mind, always right, that's going to be a challenging relationship. People that are flexible, know that, willing to admit when they make a mistake and then jump right on it, own it, correct it, that really makes a difference.